Hey friends, let's get straight into this fantastic song, and as always we'll do all the guitar parts, and we're tuned to E flat, so just tune each string down half a step. So let's get into it. So for our intro, guitar 1, we're going to play 9D, and then 9G, 10 on the B, back to 9D, G and B. Then we're going to go 5A, 5A and 9 on the D, back to 5A and 5A, 7 on the D. Then do the first one again. Jump back to a D power chord, play it 2 times. First fret on D and G, slide to 2nd fret. Play the 2nd fret again. Bend the 3rd fret E and play open E. Now this time we're starting the same with our 9, back to the 9s. Now we're going to go 7D, G and B to 9D, 7G, 8B, back to the 7s. Then we're going to do a similar blues pattern again, 7A, 7A, 11D, back to 7A and 7-9. Go back to the D 2 times. First fret D and G, slide to 2nd fret, and then guitar 1 just plays the G string 2, 1, 2. That's guitar 1. Now let's have a look at guitar 2. This time we're going to start on the blues pattern on 7A, then play 7A, 11D, back to 7A and 7-9. So there's switching parts here. Then go 7D, G and B to 9D, 7G, 8B, back to the 7s. Then we're going back to our blues pattern, the one we started with in guitar 2. The D power chord 2 times. First fret D and G, slide to 2nd fret. 2nd fret again, D and G. This time bend the 3rd fret on the E, play 2nd fret on the D. Then we're going back to our 7 blues pattern again. Now this time go back to the 5 blues pattern. Now we're coming up to 9D, G and B, 11D, 9G, 10B, back to the 9s, back to our D power chord 2 times. First fret, slide to 2nd fret, D and G, 2nd fret, D and G. This time bend the 3rd fret E and just play an E power chord. And they're both the guitar parts for the intro. So for our verse, guitar 1, play 9D and G, play 11D, 9G, 10B, back to the 9s 2 times, come back to the 7 D, G and B 2 times, then 9D, 7G, 8B 2 times, back to the 7s. Then we're going back to an A power chord, play it 2 times, and then open A 4th fret on the D, back to the A, then just play a G chord, but we're just playing down to the G string, including the G string, and then a D power chord, then we're repeating that again, back to the 7s. Now jump straight to the G and do the same as before, G, D, to A to finish. So that's guitar 1. Let's have a look at guitar 2. We're going to be doing like a blues pattern here. 7 on the A, 9 on the D once. Then go 7A, 11 on the D 2 times. Back to 7 and 9. Now we're coming back to 5A, 7D 2 times. Then 7, 5, 9D 2 times. Back to the 5 and 7. Play the open A and then the A power chord 2 times. Open A 4D, back to the A power chord 2 times, to the G, the same as guitar 1, D, then we're repeating that again, to the G, D, and finish on the A. And that's our first verse there. So for guitar 1 for our chorus, it's going to be similar to the intro, except we're going to leave out the first 9. So we're starting on 11D, 9G, 10B, back to the 9s, then just come back, we're going to do 9D, 7G, 8B, back to the 7s, go back up, repeat again, to the D power chord 2 times, first fret D and G, slide to second fret, bend the 3rd fret E, and then play 2nd fret A and D. Now this time we're going to do the same as the intro. Back to the 7s, back to the 9s, to the D power chord 2 times, then we're just sliding 1st fret to 2nd fret on the D and the G. And that's guitar 1. Let's have a look at guitar 2. We're going to go back to our blues pattern similar to the intro, 7A, 7A, 11D, 7A, 7 and 9. So then do the same but come back 2 frets on the 5. Go back to our 7, to our D power chord, 1st fret slide to 2nd fret D and G, play D and G, bend the 3rd fret E, and then do an up on the open E and B. Go back to the start again, back to the 5s, back to the 7, the D 2 times, our 1 slide to 2, D and G, 2 D and G, bend the 3rd fret E, and then just play 2nd fret A and D. And that's our first chorus C. Now for our second verse, guitar 2 stays the same. Guitar 1's going to change a little bit. We're going to play 9 on the A, then 9 on the D, hammer on to 11, then 9 on the G and the B, then go to our 11, 9, 10, back to our 9s 2 times. Then we're going to do the same fill but back to frets 7A, D, 7 hammer on to 9, 7 G and B, to our 9, 7, 8 2 times. Then we're finishing the same, A power chord 2 times, O and 4, back to the O, to the G, to the D, and then do the same again. And then our G, D, and our A power chord. And guitar 2, as we said, stays the same as the first verse. So guitar 1 for our second chorus will nearly be the same as the intro. So same chords again, back to the 7, back to the 9, to the D 2 times, our 1st fret D and G, slide to 2nd, 2nd fret, bend 3rd fret E, play open E and B, then repeat that again. Back to the 9s, D 2 times, then just do 1st fret slide to 2nd fret D and G. Now let's have a look at guitar 2, which will be similar to our first chorus. We're going to do 7A, then 7, 11D, back to 7 and 7 and 9s. Back 2 frets, do the same. Back up, same. To the D power chord 2 times. 1st fret D and G to 2nd fret. 2nd fret D and G. Now bend the 3rd fret E and play an E power chord. Then repeat that again. Back to the 5. back to the 7s, D 2 times, and then just 1st fret to 2nd fret, D and G. And that's our second chorus C. From there we're going to our solo rhythm, and we'll do our solo at the end. We're just going back to guitar 1, the same as the first verse. For our bridge, guitar 1 is just playing a B power chord, 1, 2 more times again, and 2 more. Do a slide to an E power chord, go 1, 1, 2. Then we're just doing upstroke on the open E and B 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then do 1st fret, slide to 2nd fret on the A, and we're just holding that for 3.5 bars. Guitar 2 is similar on the B again, do exactly the same, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, slide. This time we're going to play the E power chord, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, and then an open on the E and the B. Hold, and then just 1st fret to 2nd fret, the same as guitar 1. We hold. Then we have guitar 3, we're going to slide up to 14 on the D, G, 12, 14, then bend and release a 14, pull off to 12, 14, 12, 14 on the D, then do 14, pull off to 12 on the D, 14 on the A, 14, pull off to 12, back to 10, then go 12, slide to 14 on the A. And we have a harmony on that, so this is guitar 4, we're going to play 2nd fret on the D, G, open, 2nd, bend and release 2nd fret, pull off to the open, 2nd fret open, then 2nd fret D, play the 2nd fret D again and pull off to the open, 2nd fret A, play the 2nd fret again, pull off to the open, 3rd fret E, and then just do 1st fret, slide to 2nd fret on the A. And they're all the parts to the bridge. Outro chorus is similar to our second chorus again, same as the intro chords again. Back to the 7s, back to the 9s, D 2 times, our 1st fret slide to 2nd fret, 2nd fret bend the 3rd fret E, just play the 2nd fret on the D and do that 2 times. Two times there, then we hold for 3 bars, then we're going to be on the A string 7, slide to 9, back to 7. Then bend and release a 2nd fret on the A, 3rd fret on the E, open. The first guitar doesn't play and the second guitar will just be playing our open E. Then we're just going back to the first riff and keep repeating that to the end. And repeat that to the end. Now guitar 2 again, similar to our choruses, 7A, 711, 7A, 79. Back to the 5s, back to the 7s, our D 2 times, 1 slide to 2, 2, bend 3rd fret E, play open E and B, repeat that again, back to the 5s, back to the 7s, back to the D 2 times, 1st fret to 2nd fret, bend 3rd fret on the E, play 2nd fret on the A and the D, then we're just playing the open E string, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, then do 1, bend and release 9th fret on the G, bend and release 7th fret on the D, then just play 6, 6 slide to 7, 7 slide to 6, 6 slide to 7. Then we just go back and repeat the first line again. Back to our 5, to the D, and we do that all the way through to the end. Now let's have a look at the solo. Start on the 4th fret on the G and slide up to the 9th fret. Play the 9th fret, slide up to 14. Then do a half bend on 11G. Play 11, 9, 7. Bend on 9 on the G. Play 9, 7. Then do 7, slide to 9 on the D. Play 9, 7. Slowly. Then do the 4 to the 9 again, 9 to 14. Now we're bending 11G, play 11, 9. Now bend 12 on the G, play 12, 9, and then jump to the E, 10th fret and bend. And that's guitar 1. Let's have a look at the harmony. So this time 4 slide to 9 on the D. Then 9 slide to 14. Then we're bending 6th fret G, play 6, 4, 2, bend 4th fret on the G, 4, 2, 4 slide to 5 on the D, play 5, 4. Then we're on the 4, slide to 9 again, 9, slide to 14, go back to 6G, bend, play 6, 4, then bend a 7 on the G, 7, 4, and then finish with a bend on the 8 on the B. There our main solo. Now let's have a look at our outro solo. So guitar 1 for our outro solo on the G string, 4 slide to 9 again, 9 to 14. Stay on the G, bend 14, play 14, 12, 11, 12, 11. Then on the D, 12 to slide to 14. Repeat again, 4 to 9, 9 to 14. Bend to 14, play 14, 12, 11, 12, 11, 12 on the D, and then bend 15 on the B. And we just keep repeating that there. Now the harmony, we're doing 4 slide to 9 on the D, 9 slide to 14. This time jump back to the 9, do a bend, play 9, 7, 6, 7, 6 on the D, 7 slide to 9. Then again 4 to 9, 9 to 14 on the D, bend the 9 on the G again, play 9, 7, 6, 7, 6, back to 7D, and then bend the 10 on the B. And they're all our parts there. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy Christine 16 guitar lesson. Don't forget, if you love Kiss, like and subscribe and hit that notification bell, and I'm looking forward to seeing you soon.